Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your existing domain to your Wix website. Having a custom domain, like yourcompany.com, makes your site look professional and trustworthy. We'll cover the two main ways to link your domain: by pointing, which keeps your domain management with your current registrar, or by changing name servers, where Wix manages your DNS. Let's get your site live with its own unique address. The first step is to begin the connection process within your Wix account. Simply log in and head over to the Domains section. From there, you'll select Add an existing domain and choose to connect a domain you already own. Follow the prompts to enter your domain name and select the Wix site you wish to link. Wix will then display the unique DNS records you'll need for the next crucial step. Now, it's time to configure your domain's DNS records at your domain registrar. Log into your registrar's control panel and find the DNS settings. You'll need to add or update two types of records: a CNAME record for www and a record. The CNAME should point to the Wix value, typically something like www.66.wixtons.net, and the record to Wix's IP address, usually 23.166.140.215. Double-check these values for accuracy. After updating your DNS records, patience is key. It can take up to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet, though it often happens much faster. To check, clear your browser's cache and flush your DNS, then visit your domain. If your Wix site appears, congratulations. If not, wait a full 2 days. Should problems still persist, reach out to your domain registrar or Wix support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.